Indianapolis. Here, Patty Sanders with Old Farmer's Almanac, making a sports drink that has been just incredible for me, and it's going to be very easy. The ingredients are going to be kombucha, apple cider, salt, bee pollen, ginger, and water. We know that sports drinks are very good for us, but they contain a lot of sugar, so we want to maintain that sugar level low and the nutrients high to have that constant energy with a little bit of the sugar from the apple cider and also the kombucha. So let's make it together. Para ahí. Ready to make our sports drink. We're gonna add about half a cup of apple cider. I buy these mason jars in Goodwills or garage sales. They are the best, or you can buy them new. So apple cider, because it's fall, so that would be great. Now we're gonna add half a cup of kombucha. Remember, kombucha is an amazing drink, but sometimes it's high in the sugar, so we want to dilute it. Also half a cup. These are my drinks. I store these in the refrigerator. When I make the drinks, I begin to get my hydration throughout the day. This is not enough. One of them per day plus water or an herbal teas. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt. Okay, those electrolytes, if you have good salt, it's going to provide you with minerals as well. So salt, because I do biking, I dance, and I go to the woods, and I do gardening. Did I add salt here? Yes. So salt, some very good Himalayan salt or whatever salt you want. And we're going to have bee pollen that contains enzymes, lipids, honey, and also about 250 compounds that are good for our health. So a little bit of bee pollen. Remember, sometimes we buy bee pollen and store it and don't use it at all. You can use bee pollen instead of croutons in your salad, or you can use this bee pollen in your sports drink. Now we're going to add a little bit, I forgot to mention, ginger. Very wonderful anti-inflammatory. So we're going to add is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So little pieces of ginger just helps me with my digestion, and also gives it a wonderful taste. So I love my garlic presser, and I use it to squeeze some of this ginger flavor. You want to do this, have your drinks before you go shopping. You can carry them in your car. Remember, you want to store them in glass instead of plastic. So 3. If you don't like ginger, you don't have to add ginger to your drinks. Okay. And there's a little more here. Okay, so it's almost ginger ale. We can call it ginger ale sports drink. And now we're gonna fill it up with water. Okay. I made this on Sundays, Sunday night, to start my week. Okay, I may not have enough water for all my bottles, but that's the idea. Then you buy, I do buy the, this is the leak-free, leak-proof cups that you can find in any store. They go in the refrigerator, and voila, you have the sports drink that you need for the entire week. Thank you so much for being with me, and I hope that you enter your comments right below. Thank you so much.